taking it slowly. Somebody show me that dough. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that rose. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that dough. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that rose.
Hey beautiful people, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing wonderful. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle, and if you're returning, welcome back, sisters. So today I'm doing a video on Fenty Beauty's Beach Please collection, and this is just my little demonstration on how I use it to make a wearable makeup look. And Fenty Beauty has been the only makeup brand thus far that has had so many items that look beautiful on my complexion. So I'm going to use about 80% Fenty Beauty products in this video. So I bought two things from the collection. I got the Killawatt Foil Duo, the Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. When I saw this, I was just like, oh, you guys, I'm not even into bright colors, but when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. The colors are so beautiful, and this is something that you can wear all summer 18. So I got that, and then I got the lip gloss set. I wasn't sure which set to get because I love the way that snakeskin color looks on the other set, but I got the set that has these three colors. And at the end of the video, I'm going to swatch all three of them for you. And in this video, I'm also going to be using the primer, the foundation, the Matchstix for the concealer, the contour, and that's about it. So tweak it in the way that you want to tweak it, but let's go ahead and hop in.
You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that dough. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that rose. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that dough. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that rose.
To take the beautiful duo. I'm going to start off with the Sangria Sunset, and then I'm going to go back with this pink over the blush, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner of my eye.
You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that dough. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that rose. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that dough. You know, just taking it slowly. Somebody show me that rose.
and it's very wearable, very beautiful and glowy. Now let's go ahead and get into the lips. I have on this nude lip combo, which works really well because it doesn't make the look too over the top. It's actually quite beautiful and subtle, but if you want to amp it up a little bit, you can use like a highly pigmented lip gloss, or you can just put the gloss right on. I want to use Ready to Mingle on the bottom lip, but I don't want it to look too sheeny. Let's see how sheeny it actually comes out looking. It's actually not bad. Somebody show me that door. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that rose. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that door. You know, just taking it slow. So this is the finished look. It's very wearable. All you have to do at the end is just put a setting powder on to complete your look. Now, if you're wondering about what I use on my lids, if you guys want something that's a little bit more muted, you can use browns like I use. I just use a little duo for Makeup Forever that has 2 different brown tones on it, and I'll link it below in the order that I used it in. I'll link the dark color and a little bit of a lighter brown color. They actually have a beautiful fuchsia color, and I think that if you wanted to make this look more dramatic, use that as your base instead. These colors are gorgeous, you guys. That duo is everything and more. This highlight is crazy. It's not over the top. It like melts into your skin. You don't need a lot, and I didn't even use my Fenty Beauty brush because it's dirty right now, but I do have the brush, and that deposits it even more dramatically. So you have to be very light-handed with it, but I love that you can use it as a blush, as a highlighter, or as an eyeshadow, and you can take it from a soft glam to like a va-va-voom glam. Now, as far as the glosses go, I ordered it off of the Fenty Beauty website, but while I was waiting for it to come, I ended up in Sephora and I swatched the lip glosses, and after I wiped my hand off, my palm was so moisturized, so I knew that this gloss is going to give you a lot of moisture. It deposits a lot of pigment, and this color right here, oh, so pretty, you guys. It's in Ready to Mingle. Like I said, you can put it over something. I just put it over 2 different lipsticks that I had mixed together, which is what was on my lips earlier, but that looked very muted, very nude. It doesn't take much, and I'll link below the 2 lipsticks that I used, but you can certainly use it by itself or put it over a different color to give it a different vibe. You can really do a lot with this, so I don't have a lot to say about it. Absolutely love it. It's beautiful on every and any skin complexion, and it's gonna be gorgeous for the summertime. I have 2 other videos where I've used Fenty Beauty products, and if you want to check those out, I'm gonna link them below so you can watch those. I hope this video was helpful to you if you're curious about what the colors look like on a different skin complexion, or how you can use it to make a muted wearable look. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know, and if you don't, big kisses to you all, mwah, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, and light.
Somebody show me that door. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that rose. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that door. You know, just taking it slow. Somebody show me that rose.
The pink and put it on my nose. See what the pink looks like. Let's get crazy. Ooh, ooh, this is crazy. I would never have a pink nose.